Are expecting strong winds in the next few days, and the state's forestry division says it is on the lookout for wildfires. Reporter Alyssa Munoz joins us to continuing our team weather coverage. Alyssa.
Because of the warm winter and smaller snowpack, the wind is an extra risk to areas with fine fuels or grassy areas. They add they've seen several large fires this month. Now, if you're burning, clear a 10-foot space around your workspace, call officials to make sure it's okay to burn, and have water nearby. Officials also say it's common for people in agriculture to clear brush or old growth this time of year before the new growing season, but that can be risky.
9 out of 10 fires are human caused. These aren't lightning fires that are happening over in eastern New Mexico. So ag and debris burning is the highest, or the ag and debris burning is the top fire start in New Mexico.
Now, as the winds increase, it's important to take precautions and to also be mindful of red flag warning days. Reporting, I'm Alyssa Munoz, KWT Action 7 News.